Please stay with me as I demonstrate how to make Jamaican curried chicken wings. Oh, hi there everyone. This is your Jamaican girl Norlene. So in the pot, I have a tablespoon of curry. I've added it to some olive oil and allow it to just fry for about 30 seconds. Next, I add to that my already washed, clean, seasoned and marinated chicken wings. Please hit the like button and tell me where you're watching from. I'm using 3/4 of a kilogram of party wings. I've covered and allowed to steam for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the chicken would have released some of its moisture, and then I add to that all the seasoning that was left in the container with some rough chopped onions, and then cover to cook for about 15 minutes. Now let me pause to welcome my new subscribers, and for all my lovers, happy Valentine's Day to you too. Now family and friends, after about 15 minutes, this is what it looks like, and if only you could smell all of this goodness going on in the kitchen. Next family and friends, I'm going to add to that a carrot. I'm using a medium carrot. I'm using 1.5 tomatoes, and then I'm going to use another third of my onions and allow this to cook in for about 5 minutes. The spiritual nugget comes to us from Philippians 3 verse 17, where Paul reminds the believers that they are to model their life after him. After all, he modeled his life after Jesus Christ. Thank you so much for staying with me. Please remember to hit the subscribe button if you have not done so. Hit the like button, share my channel with your friends, and encourage them too to subscribe. So after about 5 minutes, the sauce has reduced. Guys, it tastes wonderful. I'm just going to top this off with some bell peppers and the next third of the onion. I've used one onion, a medium onion in total, and it is done. I turn off the flame and allow this to simmer for about 3 minutes. Now, family and friends, it's once again another of my mother's favorite. From my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. I'll see you next week.